Neil once again. Today I bring to you something that I've been trying to do for a long time, and then I put it away. That is the engine guard. I got the engine guard very early, but I also wanted some kind of protection because this engine guard is not fully securing this. So if the bike falls and there's a uneven surface, so there's a huge gap right in the middle. And that's why I wanted to have some sort of a guard, which I ordered. I've had it for a while. When I first time I tried to put in, it did not have enough, because this is a different company, and though it did not have enough clearance with this crash bar. Right now I basically loosened the bolts up. So today I'm trying to do is I'm going to install this again.